YouTube, what's up with you, baby? Hey, look, I got a little bit more content I think you may like, so check this out right here. I'm gonna give y'all a taper with this beard, and mainly on the beard is just mainly enhanced. The whole cut really enhancement, because we all know how to cut a tape. We all know how to cut a tape. We all know the levels and the length that we got to get to get this tape look. So I'm gonna give you this little clip right here to help you along the way. Look, check this out. We gonna use a 1.5 on the top. We don't want that thing too low up there. You know, look, my brother here got he got a little grade on him. He said he was growing it out just for me. He seen a look, a few videos on the tube. He said, big. He said, man, I grew this. And he said, look, he come to me. I'm talking about he grew his hair person just for a little clip in the video. So I wanted it to be special for him. So we're gonna use a 1.5 because I already know he got a good grade, man. Big bro got waves up there, man. He just grew it out for me. So anyway, we're gonna start it out. Where I say 4 out, 5 out. You can use trimmer just to get your guidelines started. It don't matter how you do it. I don't recommend no specific, just something that's close. You know what I'm saying? Not too close where you picking up skin, leaving holes in folks' head. So you want to do that from each side and the back. Everything ain't got to be clean. You see, that's why I leave a little hair in the back, because at the end I like to clean up. You know what I'm saying? And when I get through fade, it's just something I do. I don't know nobody to do. I just do that. So anyway, we gonna use these walls. Forgive me. We gonna use these Andes Masters. Forgive me. Y'all know how I am about these walls. So we gonna use these Masters. I've been coming with these Masters for look. I'm starting to get my groove back with these things, man. Look, I'm liking the way these little fades coming out. So check this video out. Y'all gonna like this video. But anyway, with the texture, I like to start my guide off with a 1/8. You know what I'm saying? I first give me an inch to play with. And then I go with the grain just to debulk it a little bit more, so I ain't got to go, using excess gauze when you ain't got to. Just, go with the grain, and then I'll open it all the way. With the guard on now. Now once I got that area debulked, I take my guard off, right? I take my guard off and I use the same system. Open, halfway close. Same thing, same steps. We using the same step that we used on the Magic Club, but we using Masters. The same system. Everything the same. Now, with the beard, I always like to fade the top of my beard. I don't never like to leave it like dark, full. I be seeing a lot of, people wear their beards like full. I always like to fade mine in. That's just me. Every time you see my beard, it's gonna be blended in with my tape. You know what I'm saying? I always done that. In the back, you already know I like to section each part of the head off just like it's a pepperoni piece. Just like it's a piece. You know what I'm saying? I don't eat my piece of whole. Then I eat me a slice at a time. That's why I cut me an angle at a time. I do me one side, then I go to the other side, then I do that back left, then I do that bottom right. You see what I'm saying? So right here we at the bottom left. Now I go with the same system. With the guard, give me an inch. Go with the grain, knock it down, debulk it. When I get through with that, go all the wide open. You know what I'm saying? Fade that out. When I get through with that, I take the guard off. Use the same system, wide open, halfway closed. Now, I'm gonna say this like over and over and over. I know you probably get tired of me saying it, but it's the same thing. I'm doing the same thing over and over and over again. That's why I really ain't got to say it. If you just watch the video, you'll pretty much, you know what I'm saying, get what I got going on. Because each video you see is gonna be the same thing. But I learned something new since I've been, messing with the video. Them damn octanes. Now look, I already knew the thing was vicious. I already knew. But you remember when I told you, I said those detachables, you can't go through. I honestly believe that you can't complete the haircut with the detachables, but they make their haircut go so much faster. Oh my goodness. Now you can cut down so much time with just only a couple blades. I'm talking about any fade. You cut down so much time. And it just took me, because when I started with the YouTube, I say, well, I don't want to be all day with, you know what I'm saying, with the gym. So I'm going to just go to, you know what I'm saying, I did that personally just for me. And I just find out, man, them detachables, man, that's where the move at. That's where the move. You want to save you a lot of time, man, you're going to have to invest in you some detachables. Now, you got, like I say, I don't recommend no specific brands. I use them all. 76ers, damn me, BGRCs, Alts, whatever you can come up with. Alright, so we go from each side, the left, back. Now we back on the right with the same system. Go with the grain, you know what I'm saying? Debulking. Now you debulking this with the grain, because if you choose now, you probably want to get a thicker guard, you know what I'm saying? You know, just to complete the transition. But you really ain't got to go. You ain't got to do all that though, big bro. You ain't got to do all that. Now you just get that thing. You go with the grain. With the grain, you like, damn, okay. And when you go with the grain, you gonna start seeing the transition right then. Then you gonna flip that thing back around, and you gonna boom, boom. You heard me? Boom, boom. Then that fade gonna be like, man, I done saved so much time with it. And you gonna start doing that from here on out. Look, on the cool, you really don't even need a guard, big bro. I promise you. We're gonna get in, that's you know what I'm saying, a little bit more information on another time. We're gonna talk about that later. You really don't even need no guard to get this job done. You can do this whole thing with a naked blade. Just that master blade. For real. Now, I really wanted to get this video just to show you how I pretty much apply my enhancements. Now, some people use theirs different. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I just started with, you know what I'm saying, with the no cord when I use my fiber. Some folks use fiber, some folks just use straight hair color. I like to do both. For the simple fact, I feel like the fibers help me like get a sharper cut when I apply my dye. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if that make any sense, but when I apply the fiber first and then I apply my hair color, I cut through smoother instead of that dark line. I leave, say like if you put the dye in first, right, and you try to edge it, it may be a little harder to get that crisp line. You see what I'm saying? But when you put those fibers in and then you put that color in, you get something different. You know what I'm saying? I've been cutting a little minute, you know what I'm saying, with the little enhancements. So look, I've been doing it for a little, and I'm still learning. The results been like, man, I like that. You look, I'm just young. I'm like a kid in a candy store. When I find something I like, look, mama, we can go back to Walmart, huh? Well, can we just go to the Family Dollar then, and I can go back there on the kids section? You know what I'm talking about. I go back and forth. I like to do it. You know what I'm saying? I keep doing it. But anyway, you already know how I am with these edges. I'll stay on the edge of probably about an hour and 4 days if you let me. Just cause I'm real picky, super duper picky on them edge ups. I don't like nobody tell me, big man, dude, man, went back on my edge, man. You already know I ain't going for that. Nah, you went over down there and let Bodine cut it. Let Bodine cut it out there on the back of his porch. He done beat you up, and you want to come up here and let me? Nah, big brain, you ain't doing all that. Now, check this out with this hand, man. Look at that. Now I always do this when I do beard. The reason why, because a lot of people don't like you going too deep on their beards, right? So I say, well, this how I'm gonna stop all that. Get you a little brush, get you your little color. Draw your line first. Draw your line, get your brush that thing on in. And you'll be, look, we ain't applied no kind of edge, no kind of razor, we ain't applied no clippers. I got me a fully like guide where I stop it, right? And the thing looks, I ain't know it was gonna come out like that though. Goodness gracious. That thing is kind of sticky though, ain't it? Look. My boys in my head, he be wild. Yeah, but you want to try to make sure it's 8 hour filled in. You know what I'm saying? It ain't got to be super duper dark, but you want to make sure it's like, you know, it's natural looking. I hear you see me going in with no cord when I put my enhancements in. And it's like real key. When you don't use the cord, man, it give you so much room to play with, I feel like. And I just did this like one side to show you. You already know I don't like to cheat y'all when I be doing these edge ups. I like to be 100, give you like the real sharp look. I ain't finna turn no chair, no sideways. You know what I'm saying, trying to hide whatever. However I edge it, I want you to see just like I want the individual sitting in my chair to see his edge up. And he too probably know that he don't have a perfect edge up, and everybody they should already know. Nah, man, you ain't no Odell Beckham or no damn Makai Fife. You ain't no pretty dude. You ain't nobody, you know what I'm saying, got no perfect edge. You see what I'm saying? So you want to try to work with what you got in your chair. Ain't nobody perfect. So when I sit them in my chair, when I edge, I face that mirror. They face the mirror the whole entire time I'm edging. Cause I feel like, to me, that's real key. A lot of them don't even like to look at their edge when you edge. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I different strokes for different folk. I just don't feel like, I feel like I ain't finna cheat nobody. Not them saying finna cheat y'all. I want y'all to see the real. I ain't finna, you know what I'm saying, the sugarcoat nothing. This here, this how I edge, this how I work. You may look at it and be like, damn, man, dude edge look crazy. I mean, like, look, it look crazy to me too. Somebody might like it cause I stay busy. Cause he been so good to me. Not only you'll see he been good to me, he constantly keep blessing me. Anything I put my mind to, I ask for, he give it to me. So I must be doing something good. I ain't finna cheat you. I'm gonna give it to you straight strong, 100. I'm gonna keep it a brick with you on my mama. So this how I be. Everybody edge don't go straight across. So you don't have to make everybody edge go straight across, beating up the E4 edge up. They gonna put a bad name on out there. You gonna have to wear that jacket. I don't want you to wear that jacket like I wore that jacket. I learned the hard way, trial and error. So I'm gonna give you these little niggas before you even get out there in that water. Alright, so I am with this damn this eyebrow pencil. Ooh, I don't know what you want to do with y'all in these eyebrow pencils. Anyway, I mean, you can use eyebrow pencil. You ain't gotta use. I feel like it make the haircut. It don't make no difference to me. I can use something. Ain't got to use. Yeah, it is what it is. I just know. I mean, every little clip I see on other channels, everybody using it. So it's like that in the shop. Some folks like enhancements. Some folks don't like enhancement. Look, me personally, I can cut with the enhancement. I can cut without the enhancement. Cause I pretty honest believe that razor is your main. That's the main thing. If you put it in with the razor, it's gonna stand strong. You see what I'm saying? So, with or without it. Now, if you couldn't without it, I advise you to probably learn it because you missing a little change. You see what I'm saying? That's a lot of money that you leaving out there on the table because you stuck in your ways, bro. You ain't going with, time moving, man. These people, soon as they get that cut, man, you already know these folks want to get on the snap. You know what I'm saying? They want to show people they look. Anybody want to look like no damn old ass? Excuse me. Nobody want to look like nobody old, getting them old 90s, 2000. Man, come on now. They 220 out here now. We for real, man. These folks want to look pretty, man. And my mama, these folks want to look pretty. They want to get on the ground. They want to stunt, man, for real. So get them for what they want. He was down with you, man. He using all that spray stuff, man. Look him. Go on down there with all that. Ain't nobody trying to hear that over here. It's straight pressure. However you want to apply your pressure, damn, apply your pressure. I don't care how you apply, just apply. Enhancement, no enhancement. So, I hope you enjoyed everything I laid on you today. Hope you can take this content, man, run with it, make some buku bread off of it. May God be with you. May God be with us all. I'm going to continue to give you as much as I can when I can. I love you. Man, just stay tuned with me, man. Just stay tuned with me, bro. Y'all stay safe out there.